Some people effortlessly grow wealthy while others, even with a good income, stay stuck. Is it luck? Inheritance? A high paying job? Actually, it comes down to one underrated skill: how they manage their spending. Let's be honest, we live in a world where status often takes priority over savings. People swipe their credit cards for the latest phone or luxury dinner, but hesitate when it comes to investing for their future. So, the real question is, are you spending to improve your life or just to impress others? Hi there, welcome back to holisticinvestment.in, where we simplify the world of personal finance for individual investors like you. So let's get into the video. Number 1, the pressure to upgrade. Are you really in control? So you're still using the same phone from 5 years ago? We have all heard it. It will only take a few remarks from friends or colleagues to push someone into buying what they don't really need. Funded by EMIs, packaged as affordable but silently stealing from your future. Those who say my phone works fine, they are not outdated. They are financially wise. Number 2, why most high earners aren't wealthy. You would think earning more would mean saving more, but many people making 1 lakh rupees a month still live paycheck to paycheck. But why? Because with every raise, their lifestyle rises faster. Branded clothes, luxury dining, weekend shopping binges. But what if you did the opposite? What if your savings increase, not your spending? Number 3, learning from billionaires. Simplicity is the ultimate wealth statement. You think the rich live lavishly? Warren Buffett lives in the same house he bought in 1958, drives himself, eats McDonald's, uses coupons. Mark Zuckerberg wears the same grey t-shirt daily. Not because he's broke, because he doesn't need external validation to feel successful. This is not miserliness, this is strategy. Number 4, spend from your profits, not your salary. Do you want a new phone worth 1 lakh? Don't swipe your card. Don't take an EMI. Instead, invest that 1 lakh. Let it grow. And when your returns can pay for the phone, go for it. That's how you indulge without guilt. Because debt-driven purchases steal from your future self. Number 5, the 7-day rule. Pause before you purchase. Next time you want to buy something expensive, wait 7 days. Ask yourself, do I truly need this? Will it still matter next week? Can this money be better used elsewhere? Most of the time you will forget you even wanted it. Impulse gone, money saved, and control reclaimed. Is 50% off really a deal? You didn't even know you wanted it, but now it's 50% off, so it feels like a steal. Reality check. If it's not a need and I don't buy it, I save 100%. Let that sink in. So there is a Warren Buffett's golden rule, which he says is, if you buy things you do not need, soon you will have to sell things you need. That quote, brutal honesty. Every unnecessary purchase today is a missed opportunity to build wealth tomorrow. Number 6, salary increases. It does not mean lifestyle increases. Every year you get a raise, but instead of saving more, you spend more. New gadgets, costlier outings, bigger bills. Here's a better approach. Increase your savings by 10% before increasing your spending. Simple but powerful. One of our clients made a family WhatsApp group. So before buying anything non-essential, they posted there for feedback. Recently, their son wanted a 150 rupee cap for summer. His sister said, why not use the umbrella at home? 150 rupees saved. Decision made together. So it's not about denial, it's about disciplined choices. Number 7, frugality is strength, not shame. Don't feel embarrassed to say no to an expensive dinner or cab ride. Choosing the bus, skipping a 400 rupee coffee, walking a short distance, these are signs of clarity, not poverty. Someday, the same people who mock your choices might come asking you for a loan. Number 8, don't waste your bonus. It's not a lottery. Your bonus or tax refund isn't a windfall. It's your hard-earned money. Split it like this. Some for investing, some for future goals, a little for guilt-free fun. Enjoy but stay smart. So what is the final takeaway from this video? True wealth is built, not bought, because becoming wealthy doesn't require a 50 lakh salary. It requires smart money habits, conscious choices, a long term mindset. But staying consistent, that's the real challenge. And that's where a certified financial planner comes in. A CFP helps you to understand your spending habits, aligns your savings with your financial goals, and creates an investment plan to avoid costly mistakes. Because in the end, it's not about how much you earn, it's about how wisely you live. So, do you want to get a clear, personalized plan for your financial future? At holisticinvestment.in, we have helped thousands of investors build wealth with clarity and confidence without sacrificing the life they want to live today. So, click the link in the description to book your free consultation with one of our certified financial planner. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial insights on building lasting wealth the smart way. Thank you for watching.
You can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.